everyone? Got a 2025 Ford Mustang. I'm going to show you how to service your cabin filter. Just going to go ahead and open the glove box, and then you're going to need to disconnect this damper here, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to pull up on it, up, and then you can disconnect it, okay? It's a slotted connector. So we're just going to push it up, and then you can wiggle it out. You have these stoppers here on the sides we're going to push in. Like so. And you can lower the glove box. You might have to tug on it a little bit. Okay. So the cabin filter is actually located. The door for it is right here. See this guy with the screw in it? I need to take that screw out, then we can take this door off. Alright, so I'm just using a small flathead screwdriver, but it is a Torx. I don't remember what size Torx it is. So you can just use a little small flathead screwdriver. This is the Torx here. I think it's a T25. And you can go ahead and pull the door down like so. And here's your filter. Just pull it right out. I'm not gonna pull it out all the way because this one's pretty much brand new. Alright. Get your new one, just slide it back in there and put the door back on.